Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about usability heuristics, what it is and how it works. Let's start. Heuristic evaluation. A heuristic evaluation is a usability inspection technique where one or a number of usability experts evaluate the user interface of a product, for example, a website, against a set of heuristic principles also known as heuristics. So, what is heuristics? Heuristic is an adjective. Heuristic pertains to the process of gaining knowledge or some desired result by intelligent guesswork rather than by following some pre-established formula. In this video, we'll be talking about the 10 usability heuristics set by Jacob Nielsen. Number 1. Visibility of system status. Number 2. Match between system and the real world. Number 3. User control and freedom. Number 4. Consistency and standard. Number 5. Error preventions. Number 6. Recognition rather than recall. Number 7. Flexibility and efficiency of use. Number 8. Aesthetic and minimalist design. Number 9. Help user recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. Number 10. Help and documentation. Visibility of system status. The system should always keep users informed about what is going on through appropriate feedback within reasonable time. Match between the system and the real world. The system should speak the user's language with words, phrases, and concepts familiar to the user language rather than the system-oriented terms. Follow real-world convention, making information appear in a natural and logical order. User control and freedom. Users often choose system functions by mistake and will need a clearly marked emergency exit to leave the unwanted state without having to go through an extended dialogue, support, undo, and redo. Consistency and standards. Users should not have to wonder whether different words, situations, or actions mean the same thing. Follow platform conventions. As seen in the iPhone standard keyboard is the same as the iPhone Safari keyboard. Error prevention. Even better than a good error message is a careful design which prevents a problem from occurring in the first place. As seen, the user here is notified to ensure all fields are valid. Recognition rather than recall. Make objects, actions, and options visible. The user should not have to remember information from one part of the dialogue to another. Instructions for use of the system should be visible or easily retrievable whenever appropriate. Flexibility and efficiency of use. Accelerators, unseen by the no-voice user, may often speed up the interaction for the expert user, such that the system can cater to both inexperienced and experienced users. Allow users to tailor frequent action. Aesthetic and minimalist design. Dialogues should not contain information which is irrelevant or rarely needed. Every extra unit of information in a dialogue competes with relevant units of information and diminishes their relative visibility. Help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. Error messages should be expressed in plain language, no code, precisely indicate the problem, and constructively suggest a solution. Help and documentation. Even though it's better not to use it, it may be necessary to provide help and documentation. Any such information should be easy to search, focused on the user's task. List concrete steps to be carried out and not be too large. In conclusion, we talked about the 10 usability heuristics set by Jacob Nielsen. Number 1. Visibility of system status. Number 2. Match between system and the real world. Number 3. User control and freedom. Number 4. Consistency and standards. Number 5. Error preventions. Number 6. Recognition rather than recall. Number 7. Flexibility and efficiency of use. Number 8. Aesthetic and minimalist design. Number 9. Help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. Number 10. Help and documentation. Thank you for watching this video.
Created using Powtoon.